what happened in Maharashtra, what is happening in Bihar, what happened in Karnataka, we are going to put it in front of the people. Let people decide, let EC decide. Why are they behaving like the election commission spokesperson? Why are they responding? I don't understand the BJP. If we have allegations on IT, BJP responds. If we have allegation on ED, BJP responds. If we have allegation on Pakistan, BJP responds. If we have allegation on China, BJP responds. If we have allegation on the Central Election Commission, why is BJP acting like their spokesperson? Have they seen what documents we have? Why are they responding? We will put forth the documents and then we will see.
They're saying it's illogical and illegal.
How do they know what is illogical and illegal?
There is some kind of problem. There is rule that within 45 days they should file a complaint.
Exactly, sir. Why, see, my only submission to the media is, why is BJP jumping the gun? Why are they already saying that we are not guilty? Have we told them that they are guilty? We have not even given you the documents. How do they know what documents I possess? What documents Rahul Gandhi ji is showcasing? And how do they know that we have not filed a complaint in 45 days? Why this hurry? You are going to get cornered. We are going to expose the election commission process. We are going to expose BJP's part as well.
Sir, the yellow line being inaugurated by the Prime Minister, the BJP is saying this is the contribution of the BJP, the Prime Minister towards Bengaluru.
Everything is contribution of BJP according to BJP only. Last 75 years we did not have culture, we did not have language, we did not exist as country, we did not have civilization. I mean, there is heights of being nonsensical. Whether it is BMRCL, whether it is JJM, whether it is Arogya Karnataka, Ayushman Bharat, the state has a role in it, financial role in it. The BJP, so the entire, today if Bengaluru is the fourth largest technology cluster in the world, it's because of BJP. What is their contribution? Let them show. Anything we suggest, they have a problem with it.
The union government has taken confidence to you, the Karnataka government, in organizing this inauguration program.
I'm sorry?
Whether the union government has taken Karnataka government into confidence for
See,
inauguration.
we have sought time. They have given some time. Let us see what they do. And now it's become the habit of the Prime Minister, right? Sitting in Delhi, he will do a VC and inaugurate trains. He will inaugurate everything. He will say, they will invite one day before. It should look like the invitation has been sent also and we cannot accommodate the time also.
Sir, H.C. Mahadevappa made on statement that the laying foundation of KRS was made by Mr. C.T. Ravi says that state and Congress leaders in center have acting like they were bitten by the mad dog.
See, Mr. C.T. Ravi does not understand history. Mr. C.T. Ravi knows the only history that is given to him on everyday morning through his BJP IT cell on WhatsApp. Very clearly, Mr. Mahadevappa has said that there was intention of Tipu Sultan to start a dam over there, and they had put up a foundation stone there. And later on in early 1900s, when Nalvadi Krishna Raja Wadiyar wanted to build a dam there in the same place, when they were excavating, they found this stone and they translated that Persian foundation stone into Kannada and they have placed it there. That's all he has said, that the intention of building a dam was and laying foundation was done by Tipu Sultan, and that's what the stone says. And if these people have such a big problem, let them go and see to KRS. No, nobody is discounting the fact what the Wadiyar family or the royal family has done to Mysore. Nobody is questioning that.
Mr. R. Ashok says that you are trying to...
Mr. First tell them to read their own history of RSS, Savarkar and all these people, and then let them go to 1900s, 1800s and all those things. 100 साल नहीं हुआ आरएसएस वो हिंदू धर्म का रक्षण करके उनके लीडर्स बोलते हैं, तो 3000 साल कौन रक्षण कर रहा था? आरएसएस थे क्या तब? So first let them read their own history first and then let them come here. If you forgot, the entire royal family was with Congress. In fact, he was an elected member of the Congress in the parliament.
Sir, Mr. D.K. Shivakumar, while speaking in Delhi, has said that many politicians today do not want to even share power. How do you really look at this statement?
No, you see, he's been very categorically, he's told in that remark that it's very difficult for any individual, for a human being to give up power. He meant that when somebody in the Gram Panchayat level does not share power or give up power easily, at that in that context, Madam Sonia Gandhi and everybody else have sacrificed a lot for the party, for the people. It would have been very easy for anybody to become the